That is man. Lakini ili awe na upendo, matunda ya Roho 22 nasema
22 lakini tunda la Roho ni upendo, furaha, amani, uvumilivu, utu wema, fadhili, uaminifu, upole, kiasi. Juu ya mambo kama hayo hakuna sheria.
Wapenda, ili mwanadamu awe na upendo wa Mungu lazima Roho wa Mungu amtawale. Lakini mtu anasema kwamba hakuna Roho. We have a great team today. They are moving secretly. They have crept in and they are talking about anti-trinity. Hakuna kitu kama Yesu, hakuna kitu kama Roho na